Yeah, let me go to somebody's.
Sorry,
So-
let me stop sharing.
Yeah, let me share my screen. So the question is, how do we update this? So you have to go to each and every one of these items to submit. Here it says print the sales invoice 2003. You got to print it as a PDF file, right? As it says right here. You save as a PDF format to print the following items, right? So you go to the actual QuickBooks. Let me get out of here. That was just a different thing we were doing. So the first thing that's asking is go to your cells, all my cells, and I like to get invoice number 2003. So here's invoice number 2003. Invoice 2003. Here you said print or print preview. And this is your PDF. So you're gonna download this and you're gonna name this, what's the name of it? 1A sales invoice PDF. So this is, let me go back to my AAA 146 QuickBooks. These are the attachments, right? Let me create deliverables. You have the 01A. That's it. The next one is the sales receipt 3002. So then we go to sales receipt 3002. This is not an invoice. So it's likely that you're gonna have to finish this. Yeah. But if this is invoice, this is not an invoice. This is probably a mistake in your entry. Rocio. This should have been not an invoice, but it should have been a print receipt. Let's just confirm that. So this is a sales receipt. It's not an invoice. It's not a pledge. So that's an incorrect format that you're using. You should be doing a new sales receipt. And what that means is that that customer is paying that right there and then. And you should be able to change that sales receipt number to a new number as well. So let's correct that. When you're ready to finish that, you would print or preview once you save it, and then you do the same thing and download it. So next one would be deposit, print deposit number 01C. So again, you're gonna go into your banking. You're not gonna upload anything. You're just gonna go to the transactions. Well, you haven't done any deposits here either. So, but this is where you would print them as well. And you would look at the transactions. Okay. So expense, income statement, the other stuff that I could probably do right now would be the reports for your income statement. What's an income statement, guys? That's the biggest thing I hear. Like, well, I couldn't find the income statement. Well, isn't that a P&L? P&L, be specific about the time. P&L should be for this year. Profit and loss for this year. So this is on a cash basis, profit and loss for this year. Not up to this date. I want to see it all. Be very careful with running your reports, because if you're missing any of this information, I can't grade your exam. I mean, I can grade your project that well. Right? So this is super important that I get this. And this, guys, should match your income statement. If you did it right, it should match your income statement here.
Question. So I want to view the accountant's view. I know you said that it's in the video. But since you're here, I was just wondering if you could just tell me real fast.
Yes. Here, switch to accountant view. Here on top, switch to accountant view. Any questions on the printing? The PDF?
So can we use the snipping tool if we?
No,
Okay.
no. You gotta print it as a PDF. It's already defaulted in there to save it as a PDF. You run this, you print this, and then you save. I don't want to be sifting through ugly looking pictures, right? There's documents that you professionally submit like this, right?
Got it.
Thank you.
So we have to create one PDF of all these 13 documents and the spreadsheet, which we want to turn in tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay.
And
And
that's once you're done with everything, right?
so for tomorrow, like there's 2 chapter readings are due. I just want to confirm, are we supposed to do 2 chapter readings this week?
Yeah. Actually, they were due. When were they due?
It's tomorrow, like Sunday.
Well,
Yeah, tomorrow at the end of the day.
we can push them until Tuesday. How's that?
Okay, thank you.
And the 2 chapter readings are really just one.
Yeah, I assume they're very short.
They're super short, guys. I know that you would rather me have a video for you on that. They're very simple stuff. We've already, like, it's just gonna go over data analytics. We'll go over that on Wednesday. Let me just confirm that this 1024.
You look a little bit overworked, so I'd rather not.
1024. So this is the homework for chapter 9. Is it tomorrow? Right? I'll leave it at that. And data analytics, the chapter is like 3 pages. One of them. That's why I give you 2. So, and then this can move.
And just to clarify, we can turn this in tomorrow, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Here, I'll make it the 27. The stuff that's gonna be hard is gonna be your chapter 13. That's gonna be rough. Rough in terms of reading. And it's a lot of, it comes with a lot of stuff in the exam. Took somebody 30 minutes to read it on average. How to develop what's important for you to common elements like this, using Excel for data analytics. You already know how to use this for sure. Using Tableau, like, you can read about it. We're actually going to practice this later. That's it. That was your chapter. You see it?
Yeah, it's pretty small.
Yeah. So yes,
I appreciate that you extended. Thank you.
no problem. Let me go ahead and publish it again, because I don't think that's synchronized properly.
Thank you, Professor.
Got it. Okay, guys, I really need to go because I got some homework myself too, to get done some videos and stuff.
Okay, good evening.
I'm gonna do my best to publish this for you guys. I hope that you continue to write the questions like you've been doing here, because that alerts me to see if I need to clarify something. If you feel like creating a video like this, like how do I record the video, that would help me as well, and it'll help your peers as well. Even though it's pretty simple to go and say, is that a customer sells, and there's stuff on the video list already that guarantees that. Okay, thank you guys. You got it. Thank you all.
Thank you, Professor.
You got
Thank
it.
you.
Thank you. Sure.
Thanks.
Thank you for joining. That's awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.